Hey guys, so Katelyn has some exciting news.
I made it into company.
She went into senior company, which is the second highest company in our studio.
The highest is juniors and
I
seniors.
knew she was going to make it because...
Like junior, like the highest is 11th and 12th graders.
What do you?
The elite has 11th and 12th graders.
I thought you were saying junior and senior company, and
No.
she went. Yeah.
That's what Maddie thought. I mean, Sam thought I said. That's why I clarified it.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, I made it, and I'm really excited.
I knew you would.
And they added me to the senior group chat, which is nice.
Yes, so she's making all sorts of company friends, and there's Maddie. Maddie's trying out for company next year.
Yeah, I'm really excited for her.
And I don't think I'll make it.
Maddie, of
Yes,
course,
you
will
will.
make it. I never got to try out, so
That's because you wouldn't even want to. I swear, you would
I
not
know.
even like it.
I feel like I wouldn't have
Just
liked
because
it
you're not
either.
very social.
It's true. So now we're at the pool, and yeah.
I got a new bathing suit yesterday.
I'm wearing the same bathing suit because I want to get a new one, but I'm wearing the same one.
Same one that
From
you're wearing.
my-
That I was wearing.
Yeah, and I got a new bathing suit too. So
Really hot.
I'm vlogging you. That was adorable. Guys, we're at this really fantastic place called Petland, and they have birds, bunnies, and puppies, and you can just like touch them and hold them and play with them, and it's really great. Like, also Jack got his hair cut. How does it look? I'm gonna show you the bird. Like, look at that. If you can pick one up, you can. They're really hard to pick up, but if you can do it. Oh wow. Hey guys, so my hair is looking not cute right now, but I just wanted to put this in at the end of this vlog that I just edited because this vlog is super short and super random. It's like all just like from one day except like these two clips, and it's really random, but we basically haven't been vlogging that much recently, but I wanted to put what we had vlogged up so we can start fresh with our beach vlogs, and we leave for the beach not tomorrow but Sunday, which is super exciting. So we are going to be vlogging every single day, and we are hopefully going to have 7 vlogs, or actually probably 6 because we leave on the 7th day. So 6 vlogs for you guys coming not next week but the next week when we get back hopefully. But yeah, I just wanted to put this in here and say that's why this vlog is super random. And I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. Thumbs up for all the super cute animal footage. I love that place. Seriously, if you guys live anywhere near Fairfax, Virginia, you need to go there. It is so much fun. Oh my gosh, I love it. So yeah, we will see you guys in a couple weeks, but don't forget, we are uploading every Monday and Thursday on our main channel. So if you are not subscribed to that, it's linked down below. It is Katelyn and Kylie, and we upload beauty lifestyle videos. You know, most of you are probably subscribed to that channel, so. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and we will see you guys soon. Peace, love, and ladybugs. Bye.